so now we're gonna go see Millard Falls. And it's a waterfall in the canyon down below the mine. So it's pretty close, so we decided to go check it out. This hike is, it's pretty short. It's less than a mile out and back. And I don't know actually if it's out and back.
I don't know if it's a mile there and then a mile back. Maybe.
We'll let you know. But the parking lot was pretty full, but we parked up the road. And now we're just walking down the road to the trailhead. On your way to the waterfall, you'll see a campground and lots of streams. So, from the campground, the falls are 1 mile away, out and back, but from the parking lot, it's a mile and a half. Seeing lots of groups and little kids on this hike. There's some awesome hidden gems though. think we're almost there. Yeah, it's pretty crowded at the fall. We just saw the falls and they were pretty awesome, but it was a lot of people there, so we didn't spend too much time, but it was still really worth it because the waterfall was way higher than we thought. Bye, please subscribe.